Stop by and take a look at the 2023 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, 8 speakers, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.